Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand officially inaugurated a newly constructed District Institute of Education and Training, DIET building and an Ima Kaitil market at Salam in Imphal West District today. The State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCERT, Manipur, organized the inaugural function, which was also attended by Lamsang MLA Sorokhaibam Rajin. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Khemchand exuded confidence that the new market, built at a cost of over 3 crore rupees, would significantly drive the local economy. He added that the DIET building, alongside other ongoing developmental projects in the Lamsang Assembly constituency, will bring substantial progress and transformation to the area.
Manipur district mayam singa widely south district si Imphal West si koi kendra taraga hundoi da punba adu mu kendra ni Imphal West si da DIET center amakat hangado se mara kamai lora hangame na ju yanta mayam badana di kuba kubi ba bitokuni adu bedna planning department na we mating pambidana bakro kare changa we ima market na sarami sisu asai keynote address ni bi lahai mi duni seminar da chowa kada mama porkani na we na ima market sisu yamna na phajana even mamangi sengam gadu loka thadna tanan da jaga ha semi hai dare aduna orical ba DIET college siga ima market siga dema ate ate su khar la ki to mali.
Meanwhile, Lamsang MLA Sorokhaibam Rajin emphasized the vital role of education in driving societal progress, describing it as the backbone of community development. He also praised the people in his constituency for donating the land, noting that the construction of the DIET Center was made possible by their generous gesture. The MLA announced that the newly built student hostel in Salam Maning Laikai is nearing completion and will soon open to the public. He expressed confidence that the new market will make shopping easier for local residents by saving them from travelling far for essentials while boosting the local economy.
Belly Bridge 1997 da Belly Bridge ama sadhana hujiti communication nuaire adu danatana hatak nauna mo maya langjing da thong ama sagare adurgi akoi salami saida adagi maglang da thong ani honorable chief minister na thakana gi mamang da sanga gare hujik anauba kiam da maya langjing da ani amaga hujik so akoi sari adu si loirapa kandadi Lamsang Kendra da PMJ Swai da hojik tender tauriba Mei tang kuntra da July tang kuntra da tender thada loiga doriba lambi Nepal Lamsang Kendra madi Sengmai Kendra ga khara tas tauna ba lambi ani maga tharaga PMJ Swai da lambi Nepal amaga hojik gauri ba lambi Nepal hojik tender process laire July tang kuntra da ai koi gi tender tender tawba loigadori ni thadaba loigadori ni